all the world.
Look at that. 351. Must have a 1000-watt linear on it, Scotty.
Good to see 25 watt HR25 tickles doing the JOB, over. I don't have a PC122 anymore there, come on. I love this bloody HR2510, mate. It certainly does the JOB. It cuts through them, splits it in half, over.
Who could believe that? Amazing DX. Coming in on that. On a bit of bloody wire down there, stuck to a USB cable. Up over the top of the picture there, across the wall there. Just over that other picture there, and just the end of it up there. Just a bit of cable, just a bit of USB, just on the center conductor of the antenna coming out of, well, it's actually going through these two antenna tuners as well, but I've never heard it like this before. There's 2272 and Albury even coming through, as well as Scotty and amazing he is on the old Kenwood 2000. Wife's gone to bed, so that's why I'm able to do this. She turned the TV off so I can actually hear it with the TV on. I usually have to turn the noise blanker on and it just kills it. The TV's not on now. Yeah, unfortunately needs a slight tune up, this thing.
Look at that. The old 25 tens, they're dropping the V-hammer down, Tim.
I've never heard anything like this on here before.
Hey, we're trying to drop the hammer. With this 25 watt radio there, 10-4. They're 25 whiskies. Hey, 25 whiskies with the Sedelta disc mic out of the big Yagi, 60 feet in the air, over. Bloody fantastic out there, fellas. Hey, you have a good evening, and hey, thanks very much for the old on this HR2510 with this old Sonata microphone and hey, the big, I should say big, the 4-element Yagi 60 feet this way.
Yeah, well, there you go. Bit of bloody wire, USB cable, just hanging across the wall there. Unbelievable. Don't even have a counterpoint. I had a bit of cable attached to the earth to give it a bit of a counterpoise, but that fell off. So that's a bit of coax just coming from the back of the input of the radio, just onto that long 10-metre long USB cable. It's just onto the braid, so the outside braid is actually acting as the antenna. So yeah, can't have a proper aerial inside, I'd get killed, or outside on the roof. But it's amazing how well that works.